Good morning, guys. Good morning. My name is Mazi FX, and I'm here to share my daily outlook with you guys. All right, so don't forget there's a news event going on in US that will start this morning in US, and it's going to last for 3 days. So today, tomorrow, and Saturday. Fetcher will be speaking there tomorrow. So yeah, we have to be conscious of anything we are doing in the market. The market is already reacting. Last night I took some couple of trades. They just stretched my stop loss zone and moved in my direction. It did it twice. So I think market is trying to react to what is happening. You can see it here. Okay. Yeah, this one too has just been ranging. So you have to be careful. You have to be careful. But I've decided I'm not going to trade till Monday. Yeah, I'm not going to trade till Monday. Maybe I'll start trading Sunday night. But for now, I think I have to stay out. I have to really stay out. I have to stay out. So what am I saying? Yeah, I'm still very much positive that BTC is currently selling. We are in a sell scenario now, and I'm expecting price to come to this zone here. Then we get a bounce to the upside. For BTC, we get a bounce to the upside. So for now, we can start selling, or better still, stay on the sideline. In such cases, we stay on the sideline because bull market to this high, we're not even supposed to be selling again. We're supposed to stay out. The sales are done. We're already inside the 50% zone. So we'll just wait for the sales to, market to move down to this point before we start looking for buys. So let's check gold. Yeah. Also, gold is retracing. Gold is actually retracing. And also, this guy does not have an inducement. So for gold, we can still be looking for, trading opportunities till we get to this point, because this is the daily range here. There's a daily range. Since this guy does not have an inducement, this guy has to be the inducement of this guy. So we have to sell all the way to this 50%. We can still look for sales opportunity to get here. Then we stop looking for sales opportunity. Then likewise, US 30 obviously wants to continue from here, but it's struggling, which is normal. It happens whenever price comes into that 50% zone. This is why I say once we get to the 50% zone, it's no longer ideal to look for sales. You wait for this guy to do all the rubbish he wants to do. It will definitely come back here. Once he come back here, we'll start looking for buys. So for now, we're going to be on the sideline. I took a loss here also yesterday. So it's best I respect myself and respect my rules. Yeah. So for GBP USD, still going as planned. Yeah. Expecting it to come here. So we can still leverage on GBP USD for now that started stretching. But just because of this thing that is happening, we have to be careful. You can see the market is really ranging, is reacting. So we'll have to be very, very careful because of this news event happening. So for GBP USD, I'm still very much bearish here, at least from here to here. Once you get this break on the daily, we wait for a pullback, we wait for daily to correct itself. So we wait for daily to give us something like this, a breakout, a pullback, then we come here and we move to the downside. So that's basically what I'm expecting for the daily. But fingers crossed, we'll just wait for market to balance itself. Then as for NAS 100 is still very much bearish here, expecting it to drop all the way to this point. Yeah, all the way to that point before we know what it wants to do. But normally we're supposed to wait for it to come here. Yeah, we're waiting for it to come to this zone here and bounce off. Come here and we get a bounce to the upside. But for now, we just trade what we are seeing, which is from here all the way to this point here. We're very much bearish. So because of that, I framed this trade idea, right? I framed this trade idea, but the thing is, I didn't take the entry here because I'm waiting for a confirmation. So that confirmation is yet to come, and this is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this guy to pull back here, then we sell all the way to this point. So that is that for my daily outlook for today, because I actually reduced my pair drastically. I noticed here having more pairs was kind of disturbing me. At the end of the day, I couldn't analyze all the pairs. Yeah, I felt too lazy. So instead of having them there and having it distract me, I think it's best I focus on just few pairs and do what I have to do, right? So that is that about the outlook for today. We just wait patiently and see what the market has to give. Okay, guys, don't forget to come for my live stream morning and evening. Morning session, I do trade outlook live. Evening session, I teach. Okay, if you're interested in this and you find some value in this video, make sure you give me a follow, you like, you share, you comment, and don't forget to join my Telegram community by clicking my profile link, my bio link. I post updates there, trade updates on crypto and on Forex. And also, I notify you guys when I'm coming live. All right, guys, we've come to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys on my next outlook. Bye, guys.